In threat intelligence, sorting threat actors' names has always been a difficult task. This is mainly because every vendor has their own naming classification and their own visibility. For more than a decade, analysts worldwide have hoped for unified naming structures. And today, the wait is over. Well, kind of. Let me discuss about it. Microsoft and CrowdStrike just announced a collaboration. They have aligned their threat actor naming convention and taxonomies and published a shared reference for the industry. So this is pretty interesting because, as the blog post mentioned, one major cause of delayed response is understanding threat actor attribution, which is often slowed by inaccurate or incomplete data as well as inconsistencies in naming convention. So I think this is a really a good step forward, even if it's not perfect. So let's have a look to the Microsoft classification. So we have the naming, the weather naming terms here, where you can find the different weather system for every country. And if you go down a little bit, you get more details about each of the category, and you will also get the threat actor name, as well as the other aliases. So that's quite interesting. So I wanted to work a little bit more on that and provide something useful for the community. So I put together a graph like that, which I call the threat actor alias. And basically you have a graph here where you can navigate through the same terminology and taxonomies. So for example, if you click on a specific category, you will highlight only the threat actor names, and you will get also the list of the threat actors on the right panel. If you click on a specific country, you will get more details, a specific threat actor, you will get more details on the right panel, where you see the name of the threat actor. You will get also the family associated and the category. You get also the attribution and so on. So let me give you another example from this one, for example. In the attribution panel, we get the origin, which is the country. We have also the category and the family according to the naming convention. And we also have the known aliases referenced in the industry and a small background about this specific threat actor. I'm still working on the MITRE ATT&CK TTPs here, but as you can see, you can get additional information here as well. On the left side, you can click on and search for some specific detail. So if you want to look for a specific country, you can look for it directly here, and then you will get all the details. So here we have nation state threat actors related to Russia, and we also have like the category related to influence operation here. So we can see the overlap and which nation state actor from Russia is also doing influence operation. So quite interesting. And again, if we click on the category, we get the list related to influence operation. If we click to the country, we get all the threat actors related to the specific country. And if we click to one threat actor, then we get some information and some background about the specific threat actors. On the left, again, you can also filter by families. You can filter as well by category if you want to get only the nation state, or if you want to get only the private sector offensive actor, then you get more information directly on the graph itself. And same if you want to just untick some specific category or some specific country, you can also do that on the left. And you get some statistic as well. If you click on some, let's say remove China, the visible nodes are updated here. In the second tabs here, we have the card view where you can retrieve all the threat actors. So same, it's classified by country, China, unknown for if it's unknown, Iran, and so on. And you get all the details. If you click on some of them, on one of them, you get again the details on the right. You can filter by category as well. Again, and then you can filter by family if you want to get only the threat actors from the family, and you always get you can see the visible aliases as well directly from the card. And last is the threat actor classification table, where you get just the table that we saw earlier, but it's clickable as well. So you can click on one of the threat actor and get more information as well. And you can also download this CSV. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to share all the link in the description and on my social network. So feel free to share it and let me know what you think. Thank you.